What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flash with Game Jitsu, episode 2 of Custom Keyboards and Chill. In this episode, we will be featuring the Kemove 60% mechanical keyboard, some custom keycaps off Amazon. Link will be in the description below. This episode, we got the Batman build like I promised. Alright, let's get it. Alright, now we'll do a sound test, final build. Once again, these are Cherry MX Blue switches. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that vid. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Once again, it's your boy Flash, and thanks for stopping by the channel.